Okay, to answer your question about the first couple on the angles assignment, I wanted to go over what it's talking about. Okay, when you have an angle that's listed, and I'm going to try and get some markers so it's easier to see what I'm talking about, and I say, okay, I want to know what this blue angle is. Okay, and so if I look at that and I say, okay, well, this first part is 28 degrees and this second part is 47 degrees, I'd add them together. But how do I know what it's talking about? Well, I take the letters A, E, C, and I spell out angle. So the measure, that's what the M stands for, measure of angle A, E, C. So I want to know how big that is. So for that, I would say, okay, that is 28 plus 47, okay? And you're always welcome to use a calculator to make sure you got it right. So 28 degrees plus 47 degrees is 75 degrees. So that measure is 75 degrees. Okay, that's just that angle. Well, let's look at number one. What is it asking us to measure? It wants AEB. So this angle right here. Okay, and I'll just do that one in red. AEB. Okay, so that's the first one. How much is that one? That one's 28 degrees. We can see right there. So the measure of angle AEB is 28 degrees plus the measure of angle CED. So we start at C, go to E, and then to D. So CED, this one right here, is how much? 65 degrees. So I would say 28 degrees plus 65 degrees is, and again, just use the calculator, 28 plus, not times, plus 65 equals 93 degrees. Okay, and as you move on, don't forget the degrees. If you move on, 2 times the measure of angle AEC. So AEC, well, that's the blue one I just did right up here, right? So 2 times 75, and then whatever that one is. And that's the measure of AED minus the measure of BEC. BEC would be BEC. Okay, BEC is 47 degrees. So it's whatever number's right in the middle of both legs there. Okay. Number 5 is asking for 1/2 times the measurement of BED plus 4 times the measurement of AEB. So all you really need to look at is this angle right here and then times it by 4. So AEB is 28. See how it goes down and up, down and up? And we see that it's 28 degrees right here, the one right in the middle. So that would be 4 times 28. I'm off the page, sorry. 4 times 28. Okay. And then 1/2 of BED. Okay. Well, that one's a big one, so you got to add both of those together to get that whole thing. Okay. And then you take 1/2 of that. So hopefully that helps a little bit, helps you get started on that assignment. If you have any more questions, feel free to send me another note.